In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Apollo.io subscription. Whether you're looking to simplify your subscriptions or just need a break from Apollo.io, I'm here to guide you through the process. It's quick and simple, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Anyone will do, depending on what you're most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Apollo.io. Hit enter and you'll be directed to their homepage. Once you're on the Apollo.io website, you'll need to log into your account. You have two options for doing this. Either log in using your email credentials or use single sign-on if your organization has set that up for you. Simply enter your details and sign in. After you've successfully logged into your account, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you should see an option for Admin Settings. Click on that and you'll be taken to the Plan Overview section. This area provides a detailed look at your subscription plan and any pertinent settings. In the Plan Overview section, you'll find the option to Cancel Subscription. Click on this option if it's available and follow any additional prompts to confirm the cancellation. It's important to ensure that you really mean to cancel, as this action may interrupt your access to Apollo.io services once completed. However, it's worth mentioning that the Cancel Subscription button may not be visible if you are currently on Apollo.io's free plan. If this is the case, you'll need to take an alternative route to cancel your account. Specifically, reach out to their email support team directly. You'll want to drop them an email at privacy@apollo.io explaining your situation and request to cancel any active subscription plans. Be sure to include any necessary account information to speed up the process and minimize back-and-forth communication. That's it. You've successfully walked through the steps to cancel your Apollo.io subscription. Remember, whether you're contacting support or navigating through the admin settings, it's always a good idea to double-check your subscription status at the end. This ensures everything is settled and there are no surprises down the line. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and easy to follow. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment or share this video with anyone else who might benefit from it. Take care, and see you in the next video.